I've been obsessed with making juice, so I wanted to show you guys what I've been drinking. Also, I'm not one of those girlies that's going to tell you, oh my God, this is going to give you clear skin and make you lose weight. And yeah, if it does all that for you, then that's great. But it is not one of those things. This is just a recipe I wanted to share with you guys. So I am using 1 orange, 1 extra large carrot, a long cucumber that I peeled because the skin was incredibly bitter and gross, then 1 large apple and a kiwi, and a ton of celery because I need to use it up. I bought it specifically to juice, but it's just slowly sitting in my refrigerator getting bad. And if you know me, then you know the story about my cucumber. Oh my God, I did not mean to say cucumber. I meant to say celery. Also, huge shout out to Nakano for sending me their Santoku knife. That is so freaking sharp. In my last video, you guys asked what kind of juicer I have. It is a Jack LaLanne power juicer. I have had this juicer for, I kid you not, more than 15 years. It was a gift from my grandpa, so shout out to my grandpa for gifting me his juicer. I definitely want to get a new one because the top part where the spout thing is coming out, yeah, it needs to be replaced and they don't sell it anymore. Anyway, I mixed both of the juices together so you can see it's not a pretty juice, but it is so freaking good and it is great for you. There is your girl trying it out. Yum.